Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to record screen on Samsung Galaxy A25. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already opened my Samsung Galaxy A25, and if you want to record our screen, we can use screen recorder feature that is already available on the Samsung Galaxy A25, so we don't need to install any application. And to access the screen recorder, you just need to go to your quick setting panel and you will see the screen recorder right here. You can tap on that and you can choose the record sound. You can choose none, media, or media and mic. If you want to record your screen only without sound, you can choose none. And you can activate the show tabs and touches and just click on start recording if you want to record. And if you want to set the recording guys, you can tap and hold on the screen recorder and it will bring you to the screenshots and screen recording setting. Okay, here you can choose the video quality, and for me I prefer this one, the high quality, and the record sound, and the selfie video size. If you want to add selfies and show tabs and touches, and here you can set where you want to save your screen recording video. Okay, you can set it here, and you can also set up the screenshot format. Okay, just like that. Or you can use screen recorder application from Play Store. Right now I'm using the X recorder because the screen recorder feature in Samsung Galaxy phone has a lower sound, so I can't make it louder guys, so I prefer using this X recorder. But yeah, if you just want to record the screen only without sound, I recommend you to use the recorder from Samsung. But if you want to get louder sound, I recommend you to download another application from Play Store. And okay guys, that's all the way to record screen using Samsung Galaxy A25. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!